So we are just about to do a proper cold start of my Volvo 145. It's currently -5 outside, as you can see all the snow on the windscreen. This car's a bit weird because someone's put twin SUs on it instead of the Strongbird carb that it should have. So sometimes it'll start really well and sometimes it won't. So we'll see. Chokes all the way out. Pop the ignition on. It's an auto, so. There we go. Leave the choke out for a bit. And then I'll show you. Nice. One of the days it actually started alright. You can see on the temperature gauge it's ice cold. There we go.